Alrighty guys, I picked something up off of Marketplace this evening for $50, and honestly, this is a fan that I really never would have thought that would be in my collection. A Casablanca Venus. And not only that, it's the Halo type. It's got the halogen bulbs in it. Both are burnt out, and I'm unable to use the light for right now because both bulbs are burnt out, and I gotta go to the depot tomorrow and see if I can get some more. But yeah, one of them did work before I started filming, and yeah, and just in case if you're wondering what kind of control it's got, comfort touch, and this display is acting funny, but that still works fine, and that display is just fine. It's just got the glass thing on it, the glass piece, no light, just white blades, nothing special. Needs to be cleaned more. Need to do a better in-depth cleaning. Look at all the fruit flies. Stepped canopy, I think that's what it's called, I'm not sure. A lot of the blades are peeling. If I can find one that's doing it really good. I would assume that this was in like a in a living room that was like right next to a kitchen type deal. I mean, there was quite a bit of grease on these blades, but that's the only thing I really cleaned in the housing. But anyway, here's speed 1. Not what I wanted to have in mind. If I can get it to go on speed 1. Alright, let's try this again. Speed 1. There we go. Again, I would demonstrate the up light, but both bulbs are burnt out. And when I come out with an actual demonstration video of this, I will hopefully have that fixed. So yeah, there's speed 1. Again, I'll do a demonstration video with speeds that are longer. Oh, wrong one. 2. This is my first comfort touch fan, so I'm like still getting used to it, but yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like supposed to be the thermostat, like to tell you what room the temperature of the room at. Speed 2. Speed 3. Works just this whole fan just works fine. It's just the display is for the thermostat. I think that's what it is, or to tell you what room your temperature is at. You hopefully get what I'm stating. Man, I love describing this shit. Anyway, speed 4. There is a bit of a motor hum from it, probably because it's probably been decently used. And it looks bigger on camera, but really, I'm just gonna show you something here. There's my hand on the glass piece here. It's not that big of a fan. There's my hand pretty much in comparison to how big it is. But yeah, speed 5. Yeah, this thing needs a better cleaning. I just cleaned the blades off in the outer housing for this video. That hissing you're hearing, I think, is the motor, because it goes away once you turn the fan off. So it might be something going on with the thing, but it's running flawlessly aside from that noise that it's making. Speed 6. I would not be surprised if something's going out on it. I will state this controller is a little beat up. It's Velcro on the back for to hang it on your wall. Yeah, I'm in love with this thing. And again, this is a fan I honestly would have never thought would end up in my collection. And this was like in the next town over from me, so that ended up working out great today. Alright, off. We'll do reverse in a second after it stops. Yeah, like that hissing noise is now gone. Like I think it's something to do with the electrical on the motor or something. But yeah. My parents are not a fan of this. Not a fan. I'm funny. No. Yeah, they're not really a fan of this design. They think it's very contemporary, which I actually think it is. Very 80s. It screams 80s, actually, as a matter of fact. But, I love it. They don't really love it, but, you know, it's a parent type thing. That's a better angle. And it stopped. I'll show you the tag now that it's stopped. Let's see. Hopefully that's the best reading I can get of the number. But yeah, it's very dirty in there still. I gotta do a better in-depth cleaning, like I said. Yeah, both bulbs are burnt out. Otherwise, I know the light works. This one worked until it burnt out on me. But yeah. All right, here's a quick thing of reverse. Yeah, that noise almost sounds like a bearing hiss, but as soon as I turn the fan motor off, it goes away. The flywheel's in good shape, just in case if some of you guys are curious. Usually all the flywheels up that are on Casas up here are in pretty good shape because it never gets hot in the state, really. I don't even know if that has anything to do with rubber wadding. I don't know how that stuff actually works. I mean, I could be right, I could be wrong. Somebody could tell me, be a complete genius about it. But again, I really don't care. Oh, jeez. because that's one way to stop it quickly. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of this new fan I got today. See ya in the next one. Bye.